Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of laundry care with a product that's consistently regarded as the best laundry pods on the market. Tide PODS Liquid Laundry Detergent. If you're looking for an efficient, powerful solution to keep your clothes fresh and clean, you're in the right place. Tide PODS stand out not just for their iconic blue and white packaging but for their advanced cleaning technology. Each pod features a 4-in-1 formula that combines detergent, stain remover, color protector, and a built-in pre-treater. This means you get all the cleaning power you need in a single, easy-to-use pod. One of the first things you'll notice is how compact and convenient these pods are. The design is perfect for tackling tough stains without the need for measuring or pouring messy liquids. Just toss one in with your laundry, and you're good to go. They dissolve easily in both hot and cold water, making them versatile for any wash cycle. Whether you're washing whites, colors, or delicates, Tide PODS have got you covered. The unique Smart Suds technology ensures that each pod penetrates deep into fabrics, removing even the most stubborn dirt and odors. And thanks to the color protection feature, you can say goodbye to fading. One of the standout features of Tide PODS is their ability to tackle scent odors. Many of us have experienced laundry that smells great out of the washer but less so after a few days in the closet. With Tide, those tough odors don't stand a chance. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh for longer, which is a huge win. And let's talk about the convenience factor. With 85 pods in each container, you'll have enough for weeks of laundry without constantly needing to restock. The packaging is also designed for easy dispensing, reducing the risk of spills and waste. For those of you who care about sustainability, you'll be pleased to know that Tide PODS are part of the Climate Pledge Friendly program. They're energy efficient and come from a brand that recognizes the importance of reducing our environmental impact. Now, for those wondering about the specifics, each pod weighs just the right amount to provide optimal cleaning power. Tide has also made sure to keep their formula phosphate-free, which is better for our waterways. Overall, if you're in the market for an effective laundry detergent, Tide PODS Liquid Laundry Detergent truly delivers on its promises. Its powerful cleaning technology, convenience, and the brand's reputation for quality make it a go-to choice for many households. Thanks for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments what your favorite laundry solutions are, and until next time, keep those clothes clean and fresh.